Hey everybody, welcome back inside the mind of Matt. Today is the day after the big storm. I spent about 6 hours yesterday total shoveling snow, and I woke up today and it felt like I had been run over by a snowplow. So the roads are still kind of really crappy out there. There's travel advisory, so I decided I was going to call in sick and kind of recoup. And because I didn't get the chance to do any printing yesterday, which I did actually before I go to bed, I found something to throw up on the build plate and get printing for the next video. So I do have part of the print done, and the rest is printing as I'm recording this portion of the video, and we're going to kind of follow its progress along. But I figured I was too sore to go out and play in it. It definitely wasn't going to have a snowball fight, and with the strength that I have in my arms right now, I feel like spaghetti. I figured I couldn't build anything big like a fort or a big snowman or anything, but I did figure out I could do this. I got me a little snowman. It's a 2-part mold. That's remnants of the hairspray, but this first layer went down like butter. But 2-part, fill it with snow, and you got yourself a little snowman. Doesn't stop there. It comes with accessories. So, there was something weird about the couple of the other files, so I had to go through a couple of other programs and kind of make some adjustments and stuff like that. But right now I am printing. It's like a coal tray. You know, there's like a tray, and it's got different coal. Let's take a quick peek at the computer real quick. So that's the coal. I actually got it in 3D Builder right now, just making sure that there wasn't an error in it. Even though it is already printing, it just is printing weird. So, but they're all going to be little lumps of coal. The only thing that I didn't do with these, that I did do with these are actually 150% scaled. I started these, well, I started that one last night. It finished, took about 6.5 hours. I did this morning. It took about 35 minutes. Printed with the supports in the center. Printed awesome. But these guys, they are printing with supports. I didn't up the the scale of it, that is, to 150. This is just 100% from the STL file. And then the only other thing, I've got to print the arms and the carrot, which are on another tray like that, and I will be swapping out as soon as this finishes into some orange, and print that out, and then we'll go make ourselves a snowman. So I'll be back when these are done printing, and we'll go have a little, just a little fun in the snow, because I hurt from here to my toes, and I'm not going to show you my pajamas, so, because I'm in my pajamas. But anyways, we'll be back. Here's the actual arms that I've gotten to Simplified 3D, and I want to demonstrate one of the issues that I was going to do a screen capture, but right now I'm transitioning everything into the new computer, so it'll be one thing more to do for this video. I just want to show that if you look real close, you can kind of see that that carrot is underneath the build plate. And the reason is up here, if I reset the position and center it again, it gives me a Z offset of 0.34. And then if you look, that everything is off the build plate except for that carrot. Now I can put supports in, which I'm gonna anyways because of the way these fingers are way up in the air, but just a minor, you know, issue with the design. But by removing that and putting it to 0, then it settles everything back down onto the build plate. So that's one of the things that you want to make sure that you're checking when you're just downloading STL files from like Thingiverse or something to that effect. So, and I will leave once again the link for this particular model in the description. So, all right, I'm gonna send this off to print, but the coal's still printing. We'll be back.
Alright, so the whole pieces are finished. Pop them off. I have to break them apart, take the supports off, but I'm come over here to the axe print. I'm going to load up the arms, turn everything back on, and start to print this next one. So we'll probably need a little fresh spray of hairspray. Okay, this is gonna print. We'll be back. Alright, looks like the arms and the carrot have cooled down enough to take off. You gotta remove it from its supports, and I guess we'll go make a snowman. Alright, so I got everything removed from its supports, this little rack. Each one of them got like a little pokey thing to stick into the snow. Turned out pretty cool actually. The quality is not the greatest on the base plate, but a lot of that you're seeing is hairspray. That turned out great. And all the pole pieces. So I guess the only thing left to do is go gather some snow inside this mold and put this stuff together, and I got a good idea how to finish him up. So I'm gonna go get some snow. Okay, so I've been playing with this thing for a couple minutes now. I've actually had to pack it a couple times, and then the key is, sorry about your ears if this hurts, but give it a little pack and make sure that it is really tight. And of course the snow gave me a little bit of a hard time packing, but let's see if I can get over here. We've got a snowman. Okay, so now it's just time to decorate him.
With the small eyes. This is pretty cool. I really packed the snow tight. Try not to break him. Look at his nose. He's got the nose. Give him some arms. Oh, stay in there. Oh, stay in there. I think it would probably been easier building a big snowman, but let's give him a couple buttons. There's extra pieces. And you can always print more if you got a bunch of kids or something around. Something fun to do in the snow. Oh. I'm not a snow sculptor. Ah, come on, don't melt. He's melting. Alright, let's take those out of there. Let's just go with the nose. And the hat. Ah, he's melting. Gotta get him. Oh no! Oh, he's just not gonna handle his hat very well. There you go. I'm gonna go put him in the freezer.
There you have it. Little snowman. Just a little snowman. Anyways, I still don't feel good, but I needed to print something while I was stuck inside on this cold, wintry, snowy day. So anyways, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and comment if you'd like to see something made. Have a great day, everybody, and thanks for stopping inside the Mind of Matt again.